So we always like to have our satisfied customers, at least that's how I'll describe you as. Maybe tell us, because remember, the students here are coming to crunch time. This is kind of the most difficult phase. You just went through it. Give them some inspiring words to let them know that maybe they will get through it when all's said and done, from your experience.
Oh yeah, I still remember those last 3 weeks before the due date, and of course it was tough, and I can imagine right now, even with this coronavirus issue going on, it makes it even harder working from home. I'm sure like teams are not always able to be together, right? But the effort and the learning experience from the Evolve, I think was fantastic. And more important than that, pretty much the feedback we get from all of you guys, Jesus, Mr. Allen, Mr. Mike, I see Miss Jenny, all of you guys were fantastic. And I think this is like pretty much like a priceless experience, which it is only gonna benefit us, because like you guys already know this. So it's pretty much something that you guys do for us, and because you guys have a nice heart, and yeah, just like try and get the most out of it, because the more you put in it, the better feedback you're gonna have, and the more you're gonna learn, which you will eventually apply in your job, in your thesis, or whatever you take this. But I think it was a great experience. So just like keep it up, and it's almost over, just 1 month to go, and then the presentation, which is fantastic. I still refer to the material you guys gave us for Evolve. Whenever I'm like stuck with something, I like go back and see like at the presentations, or even our project, because the feedback you guys gave was amazing, and I'm extremely thankful for that. I think you guys have a fantastic team, and just like fit on like a puzzle. So thank you for everything. So
the other thing I like to say is that, the oil business is a very small business, and most of us, you throw a name out in the industry, and one of us will know them, or someone we know will. You're only like what, 2, what do they call it, degrees of something or other removed from anybody in the industry. And so you guys, you do get to build a network, and I say to people at SEG or skeptics, these relationships we build are for life. Having been through 5-6 months with you guys, we'll be touching base over the years and hopefully decades ahead.
Right. Yeah, but for those in Evolve, just try and put the most effort you can to it, because that's what you're gonna get out. So just it's the last month, as I said, and just try your best, and good luck to all of you. I'm sure the projects are coming out really good.
Yeah, no, we've we're learning too. Some of these areas today we're seeing for the first time. So you get to see how we cope with uncertainty and the unknown, and that makes it more fun. So anyway, the fact that Miss Jenny tore your maps apart hasn't left permanent scars on you, huh?